Valentine's Day warning. Keep romance off the road. A lawyer is reminding couples that public displays of affection in vehicles, especially intimate ones, can lead to legal trouble or worse. While Valentine's Day is a time for love, distractions and exposure risks while driving or even parked can result in fines, jail time, or criminal charges. Legal risks of in-car intimacy, according to Avinash Singh of Store Legal. Engaging in sexual activity in a vehicle visible to the public constitutes obscene exposure. This isn't limited to cars. Even visible acts at home, through windows or on balconies, can be illegal. The penalties vary by jurisdiction, but the risks are real. Distracted driving dangers beyond exposure laws. The bigger threat is distracted driving. PDA, even minor affection like kissing, can impair focus. Regulation 297 of the Road Rules 2014 mandates full vehicle control, with fines up to $2,200 for violations. More seriously, if distraction causes an accident resulting in injury, penalties can include up to 2 years in prison, or 7 years for grievous bodily harm under the Crimes Act 1900. Avoiding trouble, the message is clear. Save intimate moments for private spaces. While police rarely enforce minor PDA, any distraction leading to harm can have severe consequences. This Valentine's Day, prioritize safety and legality by keeping romance off the road. The law doesn't care if it's a special occasion.